Here are the 10 most popular extensions in Visual Studio Code. Starting with IntelliCode. IntelliCode is an AI assistant autocomplete. This extension completes your code and helps you code faster and better. To install it, go to Extensions tab, then search IntelliCode, and just click Install. When installed, go to your program file and start writing. The extension will automatically complete your code. Number 2. Code Snapshot. If your code screenshots look questionable, this extension will help you. To install it, search it in the extensions and just click Install. Now, open the command panel and search Code Snapshot. Click it, and a new panel will appear. Now, select the code you want in the screenshot. Click this button and save it. Now your screenshot is not as bad, but you can make it better. You can change the background color and the size of the screenshot from here. Number 3. Prettier. Prettier organizes your code. For example, if you have a lot of empty space in your project, Prettier will compact it all. When you save the project, it will get rid of useless empty lines and spaces. Number 4. Code Runner. Code Runner allows you to run code in Visual Studio Code. When installed, just click the play button up in the right corner and it will run the code. And by selecting a piece of code, then running again, you can run it separately. Number 5. Live Server. When working on an HTML project, on every change you have to reload your website. But with Live Server you don't have to, it reloads it for you. For more information about Live Server and setting up autosave, check out our video in the card or down in the description. Number 6. Code Spell Checker. This extension is great if you're bad at spelling like me. It corrects your spelling mistakes. Here I have spelled the word subscribe incorrectly. Now if I click this yellow light bulb, it will correct the mistake. And it will also change it everywhere I got it wrong. Number 7. To Do. To Do makes your comments in the script easier to see. Just go to your comment and type to do in all caps and then a colon. This will make a bright yellow highlight. But if you want it to be red, just replace to do with fix me. Number 8. Auto Rename Tag. This extension is very helpful when working on HTML. Normally, if you want to rename any tag, you have to rename one, and then find the other to rename it to. But this extension does all of that for you. You just have to rename one, and it'll automatically rename the other one. Number 9. Material Icon Theme. This extension changes how icons look in your workspace. Just install it and it will instantly look good. Number 10. Vibrancy. Vibrancy makes your VS Code editor semi-transparent, allowing you to see the glimpse of the window behind it, making it a very beautiful extension. But to install it properly, you have to change some stuff before installing. First, you have to set your theme to dark plus. Install it, and then click F1 and type Reload Vibrancy. A notification box will pop up at the bottom. Click the blue button and wait. Visual Studio Code will restart. When it opens again, Vibrancy should be working. Then another box will pop up at the bottom. It's a warning notification, but don't worry. Just click the setting button and click Don't Show again. Now it's all set up. Thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Bye.